Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss authority and responsibility. Authority and responsibility are distinct concepts, each playing a crucial role in organizational structure and management. Understanding the key difference between them is essential. Let's break down the key difference between authority and responsibility. First, definition authority. These terms refer to the legitimate power or right to issue order, make decision and enforce compliance. It is the sanctioned capacity to control or influence other within an organizational framework. Responsibility is the obligation or duty to execute a task or fulfill a role. It involves being accountable for specific actions, outcome or function too. Source authority typically derived from the organizational hierarchy or official positions within an institution. Authority is vested in individual based on their job title and roles. Responsibility assigned based on job role, task or functions. Responsibility may be explicitly defined in job description or implied by the nature of the role. Number 3. Nature authority primarily concerns the power to make decision, issues order and enforce compliance. It often encompasses the right to allocate resources, establish policies and direct the activities of subordinates. Responsibility primarily involves being answerable for the outcome of designated tasks or roles. Individuals with responsibility are accountable for ensuring the successful completions of assigned duties. 4. Delegations authority can be delegated from higher authorities to lower level position, allowing to instance a manager to delegate decision making authority to a subordinate for a specific project. Responsibility is also subject to delegations. Respect responsibility entail entrusting someone with the duty to perform a specific task or role. Number 5. Accountability. While authority empowers individual to make decisions and give order, it may not inherently imply direct accountability for outcomes. Accountability may rest with the persons holding the responsibility. On the other hand, responsibility means direct duty for task fulfillment, with individual being accountable for the result. To summarize, authority involves the power to make decisions and give orders, while responsibility pertains to the obligations to perform specific tasks or roles. These concepts are interrelated within organizational structure, where authority is often delegated to individuals who then bear the responsibility for executing assigned duties. Like the video and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.